Yes. 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 Very nice. Yes. Good job. Yes. 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 Good job, ma'am. So we're luring. Yes. 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 There it is. Good. Yes. Good girl. So we're luring with food to get those two front paws. Yes. On that spot. Okay. That was a big old leap, ma'am. I've got the hand turned down, showing her that I still want her to continue to try different things. Yes. Yes. Nice. Yes. 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 Good spot. Yes. So when she's pawing me like that, I flip the hand over to let her know that that's not what I want. Yes. As soon as those two front paws are on there, whether she's sitting or standing, I'm marking, opening up that hand, marking and rewarding with food. Yes, good girl. Very nice. Luring, hand down. That's nice. Yes. The goal is 2 front feet on the target. Yes. Good job, ma'am. Good job, Sophie. Good girl. Yes. Good job. Very nice. Yes. 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 Good. Yes. There it is. Good job. Yes. Yes. Good girl. Good spot. Yes. Yes. Good spot. Good job. Yes. Yes. There it is. Good. Good. Yes. Good spot. Good girl. Yes. Nice. Very nice. Yes. Good girl. Yes. So she got extra food because I didn't lure her onto the spot. She just automatically went on there. Yes. And then she's remaining on it. Yes. Even though she's sitting. Yes. That's okay. We want to encourage a stand, but sitting is okay too, as long as we've got those two front target feet on the target. Yes. Nice job. Oh, that's so good. Good girl. Very nice. Take a break. Take a break.